Welcome back to Island House Restoration. I'm sorry we've been missing in action for the last couple of weeks. Projects have been delayed and a lot has happened, so hopefully in the next maybe 2 weeks we'll have a few videos out, but as of right now, this is all I got for you. I was gifted this antique sewing machine that had been left in the elements for quite a while, and this is the process of me restoring it. Honestly, it just needed a little bit of stain, a little bit of love, and a little bit of oil to bring this oak back to its former glory. This is a white, not a singer, and in all honesty, it's just absolutely beautiful. The condition was fantastic. There was only a few small repairs Tim and I had to make. Other than that, it just is probably my favorite thing in our entire house at the moment because it'll eventually be my desk. If you look closely, all the original pulls on the doors were damaged, so I was actually able to salvage some handles off of another desk that I had recently been given. And by the time I added the oil, the whole thing just popped, and I was so happy with the process. Like I said, I hope to see you all in the next video, and it should either be my bathroom or somebody else's, depending on how the schedule goes and the time I finish things. Thank you, and see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoy this before and after.